Hi folks, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Now, one of my subscribers was very kind enough to send me this kit. Now, it was mentioned in one of my rarest Airfix kits videos, and he sent it to me to review and then to pass on to someone who would like to build it. It is, of course, a dinosaur, Corythosaurus from Airfix. So here it is. Now, the history of this was a one-off release by Airfix in 1978. So this will make it 47 years old. So a year before I was even born, before I was even a little sparkle in me daddy's eye. There you go. So yeah, this is the actual kit. Only released once, believe it or not, only released once from Airfix. And as I said, it's one of the rarest dinosaur kits out there. And it's in a long box. I don't know why they went for this, but I suppose it's just to show off how, you know, the tall dinosaur, or the Corythosaurus there. Edge of the box is a Series 3. Best results, you're looking at M6, M10, M19, M23. Alright, so those 4 colours. Suitable for ages 9 years to adult, and there's English instructions included. You know, so there. Edge of the box, you've got the box art there and Corythosaurus. Code 038043. And here it's telling you a little bit about it. Plant-eating hadrosaur, big lizard. The Corythosaurus was a bird-hipped biped or two-legged creature which thrived in all the northern continents. It measured about 9 meters, 30 feet tall, and walked on strong hind legs equipped with 3-toed feet. So it had 3 toes. Anyway, a lot of information there about it, but if you're a dinosaur fan, you'd know it anyway. So, opening up the box. This is it. Now, it's all of its sprues out of the bag, and all we have is this instruction sheet. So, as I said, it's a second-hand kit, so we can't really see too much. Let's just zoom in a little bit so we can see the instructions a bit better. There we go. Zoom in. There we go. There's the instructions. So you're putting the head together, you're putting the feet together, or putting the arms together. Then the feet together with it 3-toed. Yeah. Then the body goes together, and then it's all together in one big go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is, all built. So it's a very simplistic build. Information there in all different languages there, all different lingos. So there you go. That's the instruction sheet. And I will put this on scale mates if I have the opportunity to. So let's have a little look at the pieces. Let's zoom back out again. Cool. Right, so how many pieces are in here then? You've got, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm making it 10. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pieces in total. So whilst I was editing this video, shock horror, there is a piece missing, unfortunately. The tongue's missing. And if you can see on the instructions here, oh, I've got my finger on it here, can you see that when the head goes together, there's part 15, which is a tongue. Oh, gutted. But hey-ho, but whilst I have your attention, can I ask a bit of a favour? If you're enjoying the content on this channel, will you consider becoming a subscriber? It really does help. And all you've got to do is click subscribe, ring that bell, and if you click all, you will be notified when I release a new video. All this helps the channel grow. And if you can do that, it'll be brilliant. Anyway, back to the video. Yeah, 14 pieces in total. And to be fair, when you put them together, the fit isn't that bad. You will have to, you know, do a little bit of filler, I guess, on the back here. Just tidy it up a little bit. But there's the body itself together. Let's have a look at the facial, the head. You got locating pins there, so we'll just fit them in there. It made a bit of a clean up as well. Whoops, there we go. Get in. Oh, we're not going. Let's have a look. It made a bit of a clean up actually. There you go. All clicks in. Oh, bit of a gap there. Or no, maybe not. Is that gone in? Yeah, a little bit of a gap there. So a little bit of filler. Looks getting close. There you go. A little bit of filler required there, just in there. But other than that, so it's gone together quite well. It made a bit of a clean up. So there's the body. There's the head. And there's a... Well, that's a short shot or not. I don't think so. But it kind of just fits on there. So you've got to glue it and hold it and hope for the best, I guess, when you put it together. Let's have a look at the hind legs. So I'm assuming you do something like this with it, I guess. Let's have a look. Is that the right side? Let's try the other side a minute. That one there. No, that's arms, arms, arms. Just trying to see how this all goes together. Let's try this way. I should read the instructions really, that would be easier, wouldn't it? So that goes on like that, and you've got a bit of a gap there, and then this, I presume, will slot in on the body like that. So there's no locator, you just got to feel it. Let's make sure it fits in, and just feel it in position. There you go. And then you've got this here will just slot on the top. So a lot of glue and a lot of prepping for this. There you go, on there. So yeah, you can see it's got 1979. So I think it's a 1978, 1979 release. There could be 1 year out on scale mates, who knows. But yeah, that's all the pieces to it. I'm always amazed when I go onto eBay and I see the prices of these kits for sale. And at the moment, there's 3 on eBay, £127, £149. But if you look on the sold, one went for 16 quid, I think it was, on auction. So, yeah, if you want to put a search on and grab yourself one of these, you can do on the eBay. But like I keep saying to people, you know, unless you go to model shows, but when they see the prices on eBay, it kind of dictates the price people are expecting on these kits. You may 20 or 30 quid either side of that, but you know, that's the way it is. But honestly, I haven't got time to build this. If there's somebody out there, one of my members in particular, who would love to build this kit and do it some justice, give me a message on email, and I'll get it sent out to you to build. And if you can send me pictures, I can then put it on this channel, just say that this has actually been built. Anyway, that's it from me. If you're enjoying the content on this channel and you're not a subscriber already, will you please consider becoming a subscriber? It really does help the channel. It's completely free. All you got to do is click subscribe, and if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Please also like the video if you like this video, simples. And also a huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which memberships here you so wish. We have a weekly live stream just for channel members where we talk about scale modeling, things that are happening, different techniques. And I also give away a free kit when I get them in, and you can, if you want to become part of that, become a member. In one of the 4 corners is a video or a playlist of other content on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Ta-da for now. And it is the Corythosaurus from Airfix. I think that's how you say it.